Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to look at some habits that you should start to become that girl. Habit number 1, wake up and sleep early. Waking up and sleeping early should be your first priority. When you follow these two habits, everything else will automatically fall into its place. So start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed at the same time every day. As you start sleeping early, you will most likely wake up early as well. The ideal sleep time should be between 10 to 12, and the ideal time to wake up should be between 4 to 8. By following these habits, you will see a massive change in your life. Habit number 2, prioritize self-care. Make time for yourself. Take a shower, do your skincare, wash your hair. Taking care of yourself isn't just good for your physical but your mental well-being. By taking care of yourself, you will feel more confident in yourself. Habit number 3, nourish your body. Eating healthy is crucial for your physical and mental well-being. Eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Also make sure to include protein and healthy fats. Make healthier choices while still eating the foods you enjoy. It's all about balance. And of course, stay hydrated. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water. And keep drinking enough water throughout the day. Habit number 4, stay active. Include regular exercise into your routine. Staying active can boost your energy levels, boost your mood, improve your sleep quality. So keep moving every day, whether it's yoga, running, dancing, or any physical activity that you enjoy. Just start by 15 to 30 minutes every day. Habit number 5, mindfulness. Engage yourself in mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing to help you center yourself, reduce stress and be in the moment. Start by practicing daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Habit number 6, mindset. Keep a journal and write things that you are thankful for each day. Start being more positive about life. Don't be in your head, be in the moment. Enjoy the moment. Don't stress about the past nor worry about the future. Just think of what steps you should take next, and you know exactly what you need to do, so just go ahead and take that step. Habit number 7, set goals. Think about what you want to accomplish in life. Whether they're related to fitness, career, academic goals, or personal goals, think about how you want your life to be. Just take a moment right now and visualize your dream life. What does it look like? Are you rich? Do you have your dream body? Do you have a big house? Dream big, there are no limits. And once you are clear about what you want, write it down. And now make a plan when you want to accomplish your goals. Maybe in a month, a year. Set deadlines for your goals. And now break them down into steps. Like, for example, your goal is to get fit in a month. So your steps are going to be, do exercise daily for 15 to 30 minutes. So set your goals and take those steps. By following all these habits, I assure you, you will see a massive change in your life. So just start working towards yourself, towards your dreams. You deserve to live that life.